Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore contrasty grades with LUTs in Premiere Pro step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Select the clip you want to work on from the timeline. Go to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the top. In the Lumetri color panel, locate the basic corrections section. Adjust the exposure sliders to see the current state of contrast in your clip. Next, navigate to the Creative section within the Lumetri color panel. Click on the drop-down menu under Look to access your LUT options. Choose a LUT that enhances contrast and fits your desired style. Immediately observe the changes apply to your clip. If the contrast is too harsh, adjust the intensity slider to fine-tune the effect. Pay attention to the contrast curve, ensuring that highlights and shadows remain balanced. You can also tweak the color wheels and match section for further adjustments. Experiment with the lift, gamma, and gain wheels to enhance the contrast. To add depth, consider applying a vignette from the vignette section in the Lumetri panel. Once satisfied with the look, render the clip for a clearer preview. Finally, review the clip in the timeline to ensure the adjustments complement the overall project. Save your work to preserve the changes made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.